Hello, this is Rich Lavins of Eurotherm by Watlow, and today we are going to do a tutorial on how to upgrade one of our Eurotherm data recorders. This one happens to be a 6180 XIO, but whether it's the 6180, the 6180A, or the XIO series, function upgrades are all done pretty much the same. So the first thing I'm going to do here is we're going to log in to engineer mode, and the engineer mode is entered by hitting the well, a couple different ways, but we can go up to the upper left hand corner and hit logged out, and then we can log in this way. Alternatively, we can come down to the lower right hand corner down here, and we can go to operator, and it takes you kind of to the same spot, so under security login. So a couple different ways to log in. So when you're here, we're going to go to engineer mode, and it's going to ask you for a password. The passwords are going to be unique to you guys, so I know what mine is. So now I'm logged into engineer, and in the upper right hand corner there's a system button, and under that there is a parameter called upgrade. So here we have our upgrade, and what I need out of the recorder is what we call a key code. So if you look right here, that's the existing key code. The key code tells the recorder what features and options it has. So if you want to add something in the field, we need that instrument number and that key code to be able to upgrade it for you. So in my case, we're going to upgrade this to have a feature called bridge full. So I mean, what you have may be different, but when you have the instrument number and the key code, you'll send that in along with a purchase order, and they will give you a new key code to unlock whatever feature you want. So on mine, we are going to enter this new code. Here's the code. We're going to hit OK. And then down here, we're just simply going to hit apply. So apply is down here at the bottom. We're going to apply, and you see in the upper right hand corner there's a progress bar, and you're going to get a message likely that says auto configure is required. This is because the key code or hardware fitter does not match. So you're going to get that. So we're just going to hit OK, and then we're going to come back and log in again. And this time we're going to go to config, and down at the bottom under options, you can see the progress bar. We're kind of waiting for that. There's down here at the very bottom, there's auto configure now. So we're going to hit auto configure. And again, the progress bar in the upper right is chugging along. And if you look closely here in the middle, it says bridge level. It's currently light, and after the auto configure, I would expect that to be full with no note there. So we're going to give that a second. And there it is. So we have now upgraded successfully to the bridge full, and we're going to hit apply. If you have any other changes, you'll hit apply. If not, you can just go out, and we are going to log back out. And lastly, we're going to hit the 5 little squares down in the lower right, and we're going to go home. And now we have upgraded our recorder, logged back out of engineer mode, and you're in the full operator mode. So really, it's pretty straightforward once you kind of see how it's done. Hope you find this helpful, but please drop us an email or give us a call with any questions. Thank you.